Today, we're going to be doing some pressure washing. I'm here at my dad's house, and we're going to be cleaning all this up. You can see there's some green in there. There's seasonal algae buildup. There's all sorts of dirt here. A little story time. I bought a pressure washer a couple years ago with the plans of doing a side business, only to find out that California has such ridiculous rules and regulations that it just made it not worth my time. So now, I'm a pressure washing enthusiast. The first step is to take this leaf blower and blow off everything that's in the way. And then we'll get there. Just hold your horses, guys. But you know what, let's get started. I never like doing that too much. It blows. So now we've blown off most of the obstructions. I'm gonna just take the normal hose and wet everything down. Then we can get into the real meat and potatoes, the real satisfying pressure washing. We're done with that initial rinse off, so that way when we spray, things don't go flying everywhere. You guys at home, you might have a pressure washer, a cute little one, maybe you bought at Costco on sale or something. But this is a real man's pressure washer right here. This is the Simpson AL4240, 4 gallon per minute, 4200 PSI, Honda engine, graded cat pump. This thing, look, I don't even want to show you too much of it. It's just gonna make you jealous. But this thing, you can get some serious pressure washing with this. We're gonna get it fired up. A little pro tip here, you don't wanna let your pressure washer ever just run without the water coming out. It's really hard on the pump. Hey guys, what's going on? How you been? Looks like we're ready to rock. What do you guys think so far? You can clearly tell the line between the unwashed and washed concrete. Looks significantly better. I know what you guys are thinking. It's gonna take you all day to finish washing this with that wand. What if I told you it's time to bust out the big guns? This is the secret weapon, guys. This is what's called a surface washer. So if you look underneath, I'm not gonna explain it. I'm just gonna show you in action. We're gonna get the edges of everything with this wand, and then we're gonna get the majority of the driveway with the surface washer. Look at all that filthy concrete. Look at these dogs. All they do is bark all day long. So I'm trying to bribe them right now with these dogs. Here you go, buddy. On you gotta share. That'll get them off my case for about 1 minute. All right, guys, we're done goofing around with the wand. It's time for maximum satisfaction. I don't know if you're ready for this. You know what? I might have to put this on my OnlyFans because this is just You'll see. Well, unfortunately, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and pack up shop and finish some other time. Nah, I'm just kidding. How mad would you be if I just left right now without finishing the job? 1, 2, 3, 4 assholes. Get a life. I transitioned to wearing my... I didn't transition, guys. Don't start rumors. So now I'm wearing my Carhartt rain jacket. Man, I love this thing. One of these days, maybe I'll do a review on it, but for now, let's finish pressure washing. We're right there, guys. All we gotta do is just push. We're right there. We are done with the initial pressure washing. As you can see, it still looks dirty. That's because we need to rinse this dirty water and mud deposits up. And we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna do this with the wand, just because I like to pretend I'm like Harry Potter with my wand. So we're not going to be pushing the nozzle too close here. We're just doing it to push the dirty water away. Wow, look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Take this opportunity to see if you missed any spots. You want to be really careful around wood. If you get this nozzle too close, it'll mess up the finish on the wood. On paint, it'll strip the paint. And you definitely don't want to get it on the car. You can mess up your car's paint. Well, we're all done. Well, I'm all done, just in time. It's now pouring rain. I had to rush to put everything away. Yeah, I didn't want my precious pressure washer getting wet. That's the first time I used it in 3 years, and it worked without issue. There it is, safely back in its cave. Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to do this every video. Where are the hose at? So you can see, it's not perfect. This concrete is not perfect, but it took off quite a bit of that muck and dirt. You'll just have to take my word for it. But boy, you know, it's kind of corny, but it is therapeutic. I enjoy pressure washing. It's kind of relaxing. You don't have to think about anything. You just clean everything, and then you notice you start walking around and everything you look at, you're like, man, that's filthy. I want to pressure wash that. You get addicted. So anyway, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching.